What's good, everyone? My name is Tyrell Cooking, and I'll be making three entrees today. First one is combination fried rice. We got the one-day rice and some pork shoulder steaks that I marinated overnight, and some shrimp that I poached the night before, and some peas and carrots for the vegetables, and of course the mushroom dark and the light to go with the fried rice. The next thing I'm about to do is some grilled hot honey teriyaki chicken. These are skinless, boneless chicken breasts that I marinated in my own teriyaki seasoning, and I'll be making the hot honey teriyaki sauce. So of course, honey, some premium chili oil from Hong Kong, some mirin rice seasoning, and some light soy sauce. And lastly, I'll be making some dynamite shrimp inspired by P.F. Chang's. This is shrimp marinated in my own spicy marinade. And for the batter, flour, baking powder, and for the liquid, I'll be using this Flamin' Hot Mountain Dew. So let's see how this goes.
All right, son. So what's next?
This is the teriyaki chicken. Marinated. Now,
Over there fighting them flies.
now, put on the grill.
So this is the first time this dude been on my grill. Went on ahead and set it up for him. Got the coals going. I'm gonna do a video with him going step by step on how to get it going. Setting up the grill, lighting the coals and all that. So, but just for time's sake, came on out here and knocked it out for him while he was finishing up his other stuff right there. So yeah, go ahead and get those laid out, man. So I guess this is next. I see you knocking out this sauce. What we got in this pan?
So in this pan we got the Kikkoman light soy sauce, the mushroom dark, the mirin, and now we are gonna add some good old honey to it because we really want that honey flavor. And premium chili oil from Hong Kong.
Hey, show that again, man. Yeah, that's serious. All right, you see the color of it.
That in. Now, brown sugar.
That was a lot.
This is really, it's really not that spicy. It's really not that spicy. It is, but it's not like killer spicy. Some brown sugar.
So what you gonna do? Let that boil, then reduce?
We'll reduce, and then we're gonna add cornstarch and water so it becomes a little thick. And then we're gonna pour it over the chicken and use the brush and go it.
All right, we're gonna be back when you're doing that slurry. So what's this going on here?
So I'm about to make the wet batter. This is just, some plain self-rising flour, cornstarch, and baking powder. And instead of water or club soda, I'm gonna take things up a notch. Flaming hot Mountain Dew.
All right,
So
let's get the mixing.
let's see.
All right, so this is done. Rice, combination fried rice with pork shoulder and shrimp. On point. That is good. That's good. All right. Look at that shrimp that he used the flaming hot Mountain Dew for the batter, and then he coated it in that boom boom sauce. You still taste the Mountain Dew in there. And this is that honey soy chicken that he grilled up. Very proud of that. Got busy on that grill. And that's still juicy. It ain't dry at all. Alright, well, hey. This is part 3 of my boy cooking. Tyrell cooking dinner. You know what I mean? He hooked it up. I don't have to do nothing but sit back and wait and hold the camera. I'm gonna go ahead and finish knocking this out. Get ready to watch some Sports Center later on tonight. Get ready to watch some P-Valley. You know what I mean? And get busy. All right, y'all be cool, be smart. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Run through my playlist. Check out my older videos. Check out videos of me and my son, me and my daughter. And check out the other 2 videos of my son cooking. Man, that chicken was really good. I should have waited to swallow before I started talking.